Most drivers still believe something that was true decades ago, that you must warm up your car for several minutes before driving. Many people start their engine and wait 2 minutes, 5 minutes, sometimes even longer. But here's the problem. In modern cars, this habit may actually be harming your engine, and it could slowly lead to expensive repairs. Today, we're exposing the warm-up myth and explaining the correct way to start and drive your car. Because what most drivers think protects their engine might actually be doing the opposite. To understand this myth, we need to go back several decades. Older cars use something called carburetors. Carburetors mixed air and fuel mechanically, but they were not very precise. During cold starts, the fuel mixture often became unstable. Engines would run rough. Sometimes they would even stall. So drivers had to let the engine idle for several minutes. This allowed the engine to warm up and stabilize. Back then, warming up your car actually made sense. But modern cars are completely different. Modern vehicles use electronic fuel injection. These systems are controlled by advanced computers. They monitor engine temperature, airflow, fuel pressure, and many other sensors. The moment you start your engine, the system automatically adjusts the fuel mixture. This allows the engine to run smoothly even when cold. In other words, modern engines are designed to be driven shortly after starting, not idled for long periods. Letting your car idle for several minutes may seem harmless, but it actually creates several hidden problems. First is incomplete combustion. When the engine is cold and idling, fuel doesn't burn as efficiently. This can create carbon deposits inside the engine. Over time, these deposits build up on valves and pistons. The second issue is fuel dilution. Excess fuel can seep past the piston rings and mix with your engine oil. This weakens the oil's ability to lubricate engine components, and that increases internal wear. But the biggest problem is something many drivers don't realize. Idling warms your engine very slowly. Engines actually warm up faster while driving gently, which means extended idling keeps the engine cold for longer, and cold engines experience more wear. So what should you actually do instead? The correct process is simple. Start your car, wait about 10 to 30 seconds. This allows oil to circulate through the engine. Then begin driving gently. Avoid hard acceleration, avoid high RPM, and keep the engine under a light load. Within a few minutes of normal driving, your engine will reach its proper operating temperature. This method warms up your engine faster, reduces carbon buildup, and minimizes long-term engine wear. There are a few exceptions. In extremely cold climates, below negative temperatures, you may want to let the engine run slightly longer. Diesel engines may also require more warm-up time, and older carbureted vehicles still benefit from idling. But for most modern gasoline cars, long warm-ups are unnecessary and often harmful. Car habits are often passed down from older generations, but cars themselves have changed dramatically. What protected engines 40 years ago can actually damage them today. So the next time you start your car, remember this simple rule. Start, wait a few seconds, then drive gently. Your engine will warm up faster, run cleaner, and last much longer.
We hope these tips help you save your engine. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and check out our newest video here.